Welcome to another episode of Oliver's Get About. This is a 2-minute quick Roccbox snack. This is the list of ingredients you will need. You will need grated mozzarella, Doritos, salsa, Pilgrim's Choice cheese, and a bowl. Grab a handful of your selected Dorito flavour. Just enough to cover the bottom of the bowl. Maybe a couple more. Right, once you've done that, grab some of the mozzarella and sprinkle it over. Probably enough. And grab some sauce and spread it over. Add a little bit more there. Once you've done that, grab some of the mature cheddar cheese and sprinkle that over. Going in, it's at Roccbox. My dad's doing this because it's a big flame up in there from gas. Take it out. It should look like this, all nice and bubbly. It's got a nice bit of sauce in. This is the taste test and this will be the final product. So we're just going to have a taste.
Oh, I have to say, they're pretty good.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Oliver?
Got a good amount of cheese on it. The salsa is not too hot, so I'd give it a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Although the dishes are very hot, so do be careful. Thanks for watching. If you want some more, hit like button, press subscribe and press bell. Thanks for watching and enjoy your cheesy nachos.